Well, g'day and welcome. Today I am going to build a... What the fuck am I building? A Dalek, thank you. I am building a Dalek. So, this is the base. Right here. And I'm going to just put a little bit of tape across there to hold it together. And I'm going to try plastic welding it. And I'm going to do it a little differently than what I normally do. Normally when I plastic weld I use my heat gun, but for this one I'm going to try using the soldering iron. I don't usually like doing that because it's pretty nasty towards your soldering iron, but I've got so many different tips for this other soldering iron, all these ones. So I thought, fuck it, I'll give it a go. Something to set the soldering iron on so it doesn't burn the house down, melt everything. Set it there, I guess. Turn that up. What's this set to? 200 or so. So I'm going to need it to be about 300 or something. Let's max. Alright. Low power. Oh, you need some ampage. What's going on? What's it say? Oh, 24 volt at 4 amps. Why 24 volt? Shit, I don't know if I've even got 24 volt. Yeah, I got 24. Jeez, I didn't realise that. That sucks. Okay. So, I grab these pieces. Let's see if this works. Put my goggles on so I can see. Oh, it fucking stinks a bit. That's sort of what I was expecting. Now, I'm wondering whether I can join it together by just applying the heat like that. Or does it need some extra plastic to help weld it? Let's see. Okay, so that's not too bad. I'm going to need filler for these ones because they're very large. I think I'm going to have to bring the fan over here because this fucking shit is choking me. Phew. Chuck that piece in there like that and melt him in. you go. Chuck some more pieces in there. Oops, jumped out. Oh, smelly. Maybe I could turn this down a bit. Turn it down to 250 or something, so it doesn't actually burn the arsehole out of the plastic. It should only melt it. That's pretty cool. Yep, let's try some more. Yep, there we go. It's better, it's only melting it now, not burning the shit out of it. Bit slower though. A lot slower. Might turn that up a little bit more. A 280. Let's try that. Putting on 2 layers on this one. It looks like I welded it with a TIG or something. It's pretty how much my welding is pretty shitty too. My normal welding, yeah. Okay. The other way of doing this is with the hot air gun, and yeah, it works pretty bloody well too. Go, that's not bad. Now we can take the tape off it and chuck some in here. Insides there don't really matter because you can't see it. I'd like to keep the outside half decent though, so I don't have to bog the bastard. I'm doing is just melting this and filling up the cracks. Not too sort of bad. So here we go for these outside bits. A little hard because I've got to try and hold this fucking thing up while I do it. Might change this tip out. There we go. That's pretty good. Nice flat one. There we go. That's the base done. Okay. This is his back. And I think I'll just glue him from, not glue him, I think I'll